create a chemical barrier by applying ant-specific spray products strategically around entry points so ants do not cross into your home. Start by choosing a product labeled for perimeter use that targets the ant species you are seeing, and always read the label for concentration and re-entry time. Apply the spray in a continuous band along the foundation, under door thresholds, and around window frames using slow, even strokes so the treatment soaks into cracks and gaps up to about 2 to 4 inches wide. For predictable results, treat along concrete, brick, and soil edges, and then allow the product to dry before rain or irrigation to prevent washout. Avoid spraying directly over ant bait stations because contact killers can repel ants and reduce bait uptake, so place baits first and spray a few feet away from them and not across the bait to home ant trails. Recheck treated areas every 7 to 14 days and reapply after heavy rain or if ant activity returns, focusing on the same continuous band rather than spot treatments. Wear gloves, eye protection, and a mask if recommended. Keep people and pets away until the product dries, and store leftover product in its original container with label intact. Common mistakes include spraying thin patches that ants can simply walk around, which you fix by creating an unbroken band along likely entry lines so there are no untreated gaps. Another issue is using a product that is not labeled for perimeter use or for the ant species you have, which you avoid by identifying the ant visually or with a photo and selecting a matching label, then following label instructions exactly. A third problem is spraying over baits or directly on ant trails, which reduces bait effectiveness. So keep spray treatments a few feet from baits and re-establish bait stations if you need to spray closer. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical how-to guidance related to pest prevention and perimeter treatments. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world tips and ask questions, and we help contractors find work by making it easy for them to showcase services to interested local clients.